This is ACER Iconia M10, and today I'll show how you can enter the recovery mode on this device. So at the start, you will need to launch the power off menu by pressing and holding the, power button. Now select the power off and allow your tablet a few seconds to be shut down entirely. Once it is, you will need to simultaneously press and hold the volume down and power button and keep them held until you'll see the boot menu. Here is the boot menu. So inside it, you will need to use the volume down button to select and volume up to confirm. So make sure that the recovery mode is selected, so the arrow is pointing towards it. And once it is, press the volume up button. And within a few seconds, you'll be booted directly into the Android recovery menu. If you would like to exit it, you can do that by either selecting and confirming the Reboot System Now option or power off. So I'll go with Reboot System Now, for example. So once it is selected, by the way, this menu can be used or can be navigated using both volume buttons. And to confirm, press the power key. So Reboot System Now, press the power button, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.